Hi guys, today we're going to be checking out and doing a field test on this old World War I/World War II folding saw. This thing's crazy, it looks like a medieval torture device, so let's get into it. Here it is guys, in the original case. This particular saw, even though it's unchanged from the World War I design, this saw itself was made by Wood & Son in 1944. It's exactly the same design as the World War I trench saw. It was just manufactured non-stop all the way through. So let's open it up and give you guys a look how it's all packed inside. Like I said, this was a new old stock saw, so just surface rust. It's never been used. Today is the first time it's ever been used. So in the bag you've got the saw all coiled up, then you've got a pair of handles. So you've got the handles for each side that they just simply screw together and lock into these bronze rings. Then you've got these handles, a pair of handles, and these are the maintenance handles. So you've got this file, and you've also got this setting tool, which was to tweak the angles of the teeth in here. So yeah, you've got everything you need to maintain and keep that saw going in the pouch with it as well. So really cool. So yeah, setting the saw up, it's just a case of unraveling it, and then these handles, obviously one goes in one side and then they just screw together, and there's a recess on each end of the ferrules on these handles that just do up either side, and that is properly locked in there now, not going anywhere. Let's give you guys a close-up. Check that out, all riveted together, offset teeth. This thing's a work of art. So this is made by Wood & Son. It's got the broad arrow. Big brass eyelets. The handles obviously unscrew like I showed you earlier to pack it down. It's really cool. So extended, this thing's about 3 foot long, I reckon. Let's get lined up and have a cut. Beast, no trouble whatsoever. Fairly clean cut as well. Let's go for another cut. I'd say this is about 65mm wide. No worries whatsoever. Super fast. This thing's an absolute beast. It's like having a 3-foot bow saw in your pocket. So let's sum this thing up. Now I've used it, done a few cuts. What do I think of it? I think it's absolutely amazing. To say this thing's 80 years old is come out of a bag that it's been in for decades, and it's just cut into those pieces of wood so smooth like butter. It's just awesome. Would I recommend using it for bushcraft today? I mean, it's a tool, it's still relevant. It's the old English ethos, made in England, back with the high quality finest materials and steels back at the time. This thing, yeah, it's awesome. But with the options you got available today, yeah, it's probably best that this is kept in a collection, or you know, it's a museum piece. So I'm going to look after this. I'm the caretaker of it now, and I'll probably use it, bring it out for a few World War II themed videos. But yeah, I absolutely enjoyed using this today. Ever since I picked it up, I've been itching to try it because it's just absolutely awesome looking. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. I'm trying to grow it. I want to make more content like this for you guys, so it just help. And if you could subscribe, if this is your sort of thing, I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this. So thanks very much again for watching, and I'll see you next time guys.